就是这个性格的人，看不懂小孩受苦，一看小孩就痛苦，他非常痛苦。
他发现可能我在生活中是已经。
Do you know this instrument for you, for this new generation? This instrument, you are not knowing about this. In some houses, you will be able to see this device, which we used in our childhood times. Ask your parents, show to your parents, they will be happy by seeing this. We are used this device in our childhood. This is the another device which we are using today. For what we are using these devices? For communication. So our topic is communication. What is communication? Giving and taking the messages. Giving and receiving messages. This communication started by the early man. He was not knowing the languages. So what language they used? Sign language. They were showing some signs, and the signs were used as a communication method during that time period. Then the early man, time period of emperors and kings and other poets and all, they used the peacocks, pigeons, the dogs for communicating. Even the military personnel, they also used these animals and birds for communicating. Kalidas, in his poems, he explained about the usage of cloud as sending the messages. Peacock for sending messages. Mayur Sandesh, Megh Sandesh. Then the changes happened into postal systems. Indian Postal Service is the largest in the world. In Indian postal services in the beginning, we used the postcards, envelopes, inland and other things for sending the messages. Then comes the radio, then the TV. Now in the modern form of mobile phones, various phones, smartphones, Android phones or something like that. So these are all the various devices which we use for communication, communicating with different people. There are two types of communication: individual communication and mass communication. If you are talking to one person, if you are communicating to only one person, which is called as personal communication. You are writing a letter to a particular person. You are chatting with one person in WhatsApp. These are all personal communication. If your message is going to thousands of people, hundreds of people, which is called as mass communication. Through the radio, it goes to many people in the country. Through the television channels, we see various news channels. These are all hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people goes. So that is what is called as mass communication. So there are two types of communication: personal communication and mass communication. Now the next topic is trade. What do you mean by trade? Exchange of goods between people, between states, between countries is called as trade. Our topic is international trade. What is international trade? Exchange of goods between countries, two or more than countries, is called as international trade. This can be surplus or deficit, or favorable balance of trade or unfavorable balance of trade. What do you mean by surplus or favorable? Our export is more and the import is less. So we spend less money, foreign reserves, for buying the things, and instead of that we are earning more by our export, which is called as surplus or favorable balance of trade. Our export is more and the import is less. Opposite is our export is less and the import is more. We are bringing more things from other countries, which is called as import. Export and import. So export is less and import is more. That condition leads into deficit or the unfavorable balance of trade. So this topic is a small topic which is coming in this chapter, trade or international trade. And the last topic is tourism as a trade, so that you can write to yourself. Tourism also give a good amount of money to our country, foreign research to our country. Whenever the foreigners comes, they come and visit our different places, scenic beauties, cities, especially the triangular tourist place of our country, Jaipur, Agra, Delhi. Then the various states, Odisha, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. In all these states, we are having good places for to watch, for to see. So foreigners comes for to see these places, and they spend a good amount of money here. So this is also called as tourism as a trade. So this chapter we wind up here. Okay, thank you.